AOSION sent this shopping cart. That is a folding shopping cart for our review, and I just put it together. Super easy. The only assembling that you need to do are the wheels, and the wheels, once they're on, they are on. I've got it all set up here where the locking mechanism makes it not go anywhere at all. And the really cool thing is the fact that it is so easy to just go on itself 360, wow, with literally just one finger. And speaking of one finger, this thing is extremely light. I'm going to take off the liner so you can actually see. It does come with the liner, which you can use for obviously for laundry, things like that. I would probably, if you're moving, probably put things like that you don't want coming out of the mesh. Very, very cool to have a liner like that. So I'm going to take that liner out so we can actually see what this thing is all about, because it does fold. And check this out. Look how easy that is to fold. I've got a little clip right here, and that clip basically makes it not want to unfold by itself. So I could really, look, one finger, really just like hang this up, put this behind some piece of furniture, probably in my pantry, in the garage, anywhere at all. It will just fit anywhere you want. And then when you're ready to unfold it, again, a couple of fingers and you're done. It is that easy. It will be able to withstand a lot because it is full metal. And again, I'm so surprised at how well and easy it just rolls. Those wheels were so easy to assemble, by the way, as well. I will probably not be using it at all times with the liner because I feel like this is going to be more for bags and things like that to move around. But if you are thinking of doing more of a laundry kind of cart, this liner is ideal for that. If you look at the liner itself, really, really pretty. And yeah, this thing is awesome. Even unfolded, it is so easy to just carry around. Wow.